Hi children, how are you? So today we are going to see a new experiment kit from Noisim Technologies. It's toothbrush core, or we can call it as spot robot. You can call it, some people call it as Bristol bot. So you can call it in whatever ways. So it's very interesting experiment, and I'm sure that you love it. So it's what are the things that you need to do this experiment? You need a toothbrush. So it comes with all these things comes by default with the kit. So it has a toothbrush. We have cut that handle portion, and it's why only the head portion we have over here. And we need a button cell. We need one button cell. It is 1.5 volts. So it comes up with the kit has two 1.5 volts button cells. So in case if you want to try it with both the 1.5 volts battery, so it can run a little bit faster. And you need a vibrator motor. The kit also comes up with a vibrator motor. So, and it comes up with a foam tape. This is nothing but a foam tape, you can cut it. So let's see how it works. So I have taken the toothbrush head portion, and so I had cut a small portion of foam tape, and then I'm keeping it here. I'm pasting the foam tape here. Okay. So that need for the foam tape here is that we need to keep that battery, button cell, and the vibrator motor here, so that it runs. It sticks to this particular foam tape, so that it doesn't fall, and it assists the toothbrush to move on its own. So it's so next thing is that we need a vibrator motor. So you just need to remove a insulation portion of it. By default the kit comes with all this with the insulation removed at the end in both the positive and negative wires. So I'm just going to keep it here. So I'll just keep this one here. I'll keep it here, and then one portion of the wire touching it, you keep it like this, and then the other wire you keep it, you see that it rotates, in the bottom side, in the bottom we have one wire touching the battery, and in the top we have the other end touching the battery, so that now you see that it rotates. So to keep the top the other wire touching this permanently, the top portion, we'll just need one more little bit smaller foam tape. So I'll just cut the foam tape. I'm just keeping it here. Yes, that's it. It's running. So the table is a smooth surface, so that's why it falls down very easily. There is no friction. That's why it goes a little bit slow. And if you keep it on the floor, it will go very nicely, and it won't fall down like this because it's rotating very. That's it, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. You learned how to do a toothbrush core. So go ahead and do all these experiments with us Noisim kits, NICEM Science Kits from NICEM Technologies. And please don't forget to leave a feedback in our Facebook page, which you can figure it out in our www.noisem.com website. Thank you guys. Thanks. See you again. Have a nice day.